Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Save a backup copy because mistakes happen fast. Next, scan headers and data types so you know what must align. This prevents mismatched calculations later. Once done, reveal hidden columns and remove stray empty rows to make the sheet predictable. Make sure Auto Recover is enabled so you can restore if needed. Now, use Show Formulas to spot odd references. This first sweep saves time when you perform bulk fixes and transformations. You clean data by removing noise. Trim removes hidden spaces, and text to columns splits mixed fields. Do this before formulas. Then, convert text dates to real dates with date value so sorting works correctly, and use value to normalize numbers stored as text. Once converted, apply filters and conditional formatting to find outliers and blank important rows. Make sure to remove duplicates only after identifying a unique key. Otherwise, you might lose valid records. You finish by validating totals and counts against expectations, run SUM and count checks, then use unique to verify distinct keys. Once satisfied, protect calculation cells to prevent accidental edits and record your changelog on a separate sheet. Save the final workbook and export a CSV where required. If something breaks, use Evaluate Formula to step through calculations and trace precedents or dependents to find the guilty reference. This targeted troubleshooting typically reveals circular references or wrong ranges, so you can correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.